Right, that's what we've got here. Two big eras, the era 6s, 6 levers. Two, so I'm gonna try this one. Nice 2-in-1 pick, the RB ones, and hopefully I'll have to do it when I'll be locked up. See if I can do it in my hand. Tension on. And work his way. Just nudge little lever at a time so you can feel that wrench going round a bit further. There you go, a bit further as each one's getting in the gate. And again. And again. There we go. Sorted, chaps. Bloody good these. Era 6 lever. Fantastic. RB 2-in-1s. Simple. Thanks, chaps. I'll do the other one on another video. Right, chaps, here's the other one. That's the one we've just done. Out of the way. Different key on this one. Same as, we'll try and do this in the hand. I know it's a bit awkward, but look. Better lock it up first. Yeah, it's left up. Sorry about that. Right, plenty of tension on as usual, and work his way through, just nudging the levers. Yeah, one just come. And again. Yeah. How about that? That's fast enough for you. You're bloody good picks these. And the only strange thing is that these locks cost an arm and a leg. And people use these thinking they're very secure. Well, as you just seen, not that secure.